Hello everyone, this is going to be a recap of the week starting Monday the 16th until Friday the 20th. Now, there is not really much to say apart from the fact that what has everyone been noticing, the volumes. So we don't have very good volumes yet. It seems like, I'm just going to say this and then I'm going to go to the technical part of things. Not many people are trading. The market open, for example, the morning session in the USA has been just rates trading, and just in the afternoon has been moving into either direction, but not really moving. And again, there is not much volume, and everybody's wondering where the volume has gone. Well, I can justify the lack of volume due to nobody knows what is going on. Nobody honestly knows. It looks like nobody knows what is going on. I think they're waiting to see if the inflation is going to drop even further next month, or if it's going to start rising with the rising oil prices. Let me just show you the oil prices. Yeah. So again, I have stated that the fall in inflation has been, and not I have been stating, most of the people have been saying it. This is the oil price, and everybody says like the falling inflation is due to the falling oil prices, and I agree. So let's see. I think everybody's in a wait and see mode. What can you do? This is how the market operates. They're not always going crazy in terms of volume and volatility. Right now, fundamentally, things a little bit better in terms like of falling inflation and falling oil prices, and nothing. And honestly, nothing has broken. What has broken? FTX. Who cares about FTX? And if you go back in the crisis of 2008, you had Bear Stearns and Lehman going bust. So something broke before the recession began, and until now, no matter what everybody says, I don't see anything that has broken or has been out of control. Nothing. Now, I don't know for how long this is gonna continue. I'm not a fortune teller, but it seems like that people are waiting to see if the next inflation and what the Fed is going to do on February. Now, it's a little bit annoying waiting for the Fed every single time, but everything's changing. We never know what's going to happen next week. Something might happen, something might break. Maybe oil goes to 100 again. Who knows? But we need something more, let's say, heavy for the markets to move. Let's look at it technically now. So this is the daily charts again, S&P, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. And I'm going to bring the bonds as well. Basically, let's start without the bonds. So that was the beginning of the year. When was it? We tried to break above this level, failed, back again. But honestly, we're still in no man's land as long as we stand below here and above this level, and I think even worse, I think we even have to break this level before things start to really move. Something that I still have to or we still have to pay attention is the VIX. Don't forget that last year we have been trading on a VIX of around basically around these areas. So around these areas, trading, especially in the S&P, was pretty good. And right now we are just look at it. Look where the VIX is standing. Yeah. So yeah, not much is going on. Let's see the gold as well. Gold has been going up, basically because of the dollar has been losing some value, and we're going to be paying attention in gold if it closes above these two levels. But these are something we already know. Now. Again, I have stated in my previous weekly recaps how we would expect a recession if the Bitcoin is where it is. Now, since I said that those words, Bitcoin has fallen by quite a margin, yeah. But what do you observe here? Bitcoin breaking above 20,000 with these 1 to 3 days, and on Friday we broke even higher up to around 23,000, let's say, yeah. So how would you expect for Nasdaq to go down if Bitcoin is still rising? I've said many times, and it's pretty common sense, yeah. If the Bitcoin is rising and it looks like everything is good, and yeah. So again, I'm not a fortune teller. It kind of, everybody now is expecting now. What's the mood is? Yeah, everyone is expecting that inflation is going to be falling all the way towards as we go towards the summer. I do not agree with this hypothesis. So I'll tell you this, the first time inflation is going to start rising, traders are going to panic and we're going to have another sell-off. That's pretty self-explanatory, because everybody right now, or at least the stupid money is waiting for inflation to go all the way down. Maybe it is, and I'm the stupid of the equation here. What else? I'm just going to talk about Friday, because we have most of the days we have been range trading. Again, this is a daily chart. We went down these 2 days. On Thursday again we did nothing but range trading in those levels, and then on Friday afternoon, let's look at this. This is the 5-minute Nasdaq. So all the way up to 7 o'clock, nothing was happening. After 7 o'clock and after the Eurex cash close, boom. Why? How? I don't know. But basically, I think because Bitcoin exploded. Yeah. So Bitcoin exploded, risk assets are gonna probably explode as well. In terms of technicals, the only level that I was considering on selling on Thursday, and I said Thursday in my webinar, is the 54s, along with the first Fibo here. And the market went to 54 on Friday afternoon, which I did not trade. Unfortunately, traded on Thursday, and I overtraded by quite a lot as well. We went to 54, back down. Basically, on the first try, went around 8 to 10 points. I don't really remember. And on the second try, they did the Fibo, went all the way down to this break level. Now, that would have provided a decent opportunity to go long, but I'm not trading on Fridays. And let's look at the volumes. Yeah, let me just give you the 5-minute chart of, again, this line. It's good volumes. It's good 5-minute volumes. Just look at the volumes. And I'm not just gonna go on. I'm just gonna show you Thursday as well on a 5-minute scale. Again, that's the close and that's the open. Yeah, that's you would expect for volume to spike during those times. That is normal. Yeah, but again, no volume. That was Thursday. Thursday sucked. That is Wednesday. Okay, you had a little bit better volume, but so again, you have no volume. At least you have no volume to day trade. I mean, it doesn't provide you too many opportunities, and you have to be very, very careful. Was I very careful on Thursday? No, I was not. There is nothing really much else to say. Let's look at the bonds. I'm just going to show you. Basically, I'm going to show you both. That's the 10-year. That's the US 2-year. Now, you would expect. Yeah, I mean, it really feels like we're going to be playing this cat and mouse thing until something breaks again or something significant changes. Yeah. So equity is up right now and bonds down. Bonds really say the truth, but again, the volumes are really, really low. Apart from this day where we had a good spike, I don't remember the reason, in the 10-year note, volumes have been quite low. Again, we're not fortune tellers. We don't know when something is going to break. We're just doing what the market, or at least we're trying to do what the market is going to do. And what the market is trying to do right now is bore us to death. And what can you do? This is trading. You have periods of high volatility, you have periods of low volatility, and it's evident in the VIX future. I'm gonna go in the hourly. I don't know if I stated this. Again, 50 courses. Oh yeah, I did state this. Yeah. And that's the problem right now. It doesn't give you too many opportunities to make a decent profit on during day trading. Yeah. It does have volatility with it does some stupid moves with very low volatility in the 1 minute and 5 minute chart, but these are very difficult and tricky to trade. Yeah. Alright, so again, I think we're going to have to wait for the Fed, which is around the beginning of February. I mean, if they're going to hike 25 or 50 basis points. And apart from that, and apart from the inflation front, they don't really have any other toy to play with right now. So that is why low volatility, smart money are staying on the sidelines. So yeah, so that's about it for this week. I'm going to be seeing you next Sunday. Have a nice Sunday and a nice trading week. Ciao, ciao.